Clark Tower RPC 8843, good afternoon.
8843, Tower, good afternoon.
Tower 8843, Cessna 172, Mike, information X-ray. At the holding point 02 Omni, ready for departure, local IFR to Riot.
8843, standby departure, traffic short final, initial traffic turning base.
Standing by, traffic short final, additional traffic turning base, 8843.
8843, confirm for Riot.
Affirm for Riot, 8843.
8843, report airborne 02 Omni, QNH 1012. Expect clearance after airborne.
Report airborne, QNH 1012, clearance after airborne, 8843. Nav strobe landing, landing lights on, transponder out. Base clear, final clear. Negative aircraft on the runway, left, center, right, clear. Lining up, center line, full power. RPM stable. Stamp green, pressure green, ammeter charging. Airspeed alive. 40 knots. 60. Rotate. Positive brake, tap brakes. Turn for 75. Tower 8843, runway heading, passing 600 for 7,000.
8843, standby, frequency change, report passing 1,500.
Standby on the frequency, report passing 1,500, 8843.
I gave you the shades, right?
Yes, Cap.
When were you planning to put it on?
Okay, Cap. Your controls, Cap. To altitude.
8843, contact Clark approach 119 decimal.
Clark approach 119 decimal to 8843. Clark approach RPC 8843, good afternoon.
843, go ahead.
8843, Cessna 172, passing 1,900 for 7,000, request clearance to Riot by Riot 2 Alpha departure.
8843, standby, clearance break, correct 482, turn right, heading 040, number 2 for the approach.
040, 482.
And Clark approach, 1 Charlie Papa, establish ILS 02 right.
1 Charlie Papa, 6 tower, 118 today.
118, 1 Charlie Papa.
Clark approach RPC 8843.
43, go ahead.
RPC 8843 over Riot, request to proceed to Clark UR via the 13 DME ARC ILS.
843, report established on the ARC.
Okay, so number report established on the ARC. First. Throttle. I'll be confirming entering the hold.
I already spoke to her. Did you just hear me talking?
Yes, Cap.
What did she say?
Confirm commencing the ARC, sir.
So let's go to the ARC then.
Okay, Cap.
From Bravo Alpha 7701, descend and maintain 1,000 initially.
Descend and maintain level 1,000. Uniform Bravo Alpha 7701. You're at 7,000 and you're still maintaining 2. You don't have to account for density altitude, is it?
Sir?
The air is the same on the ground as it is 7,000 feet.
No, sir.
So you're not going to account for density altitude?
24, sir.
Ever thought why your plane keeps descending because you're not giving it enough power?
6 DME to the ARC. Approach Uniform Bravo Alpha 7701. 13.9.
From Bravo Alpha 7701, go ahead.
Continue heading 100, 13.7, 9,300 for 6,000. 1 Charlie Bravo, head of us.
Uniform Bravo Alpha 7701, turn left. left heading 040.
Stamp left heading 040, Chicago Bravo Alpha 7721.
If you remove your change, you can see
Gabriel 7000.
8843, Roger. Stand by lower.
Stand by for lower 8843.
turn heading 350 now. Turn 340. Turn 330. 13.1 level wings.
Point 2.
Maintain 330. Middle center, twist.
232.
Turn left 320. I asked you to maintain 330, you went to 340. Now turn 310. Level wings. Twist.
217.
Okay. 217 is supposed to be 310, so turn left to 310. DME 13.0, continue.
100.
What did you tell the controller now? Approaching what?
Approaching radial,
Approaching Roser 5000.
Roser 5000. Approaching 8843. Approaching Roser 5000.
43, Roger. Report over the VOR.
Report over VOR 8843.
Please confirm once the VOR unit to commence the approach.
Affirm 8843.
43 cleared ILS approach runway 02, report over the VOR commencing.
Clear ILS 02, report VOR commencing 8843. About the center, 1 center, turn left, 247.
There's no need for 247, just turn inbound. They're not doing any hold.
Let's stop. Center, turn.
Is there a rule against standard rate turn that you have? Something that you will not be doing?
Approach checklist, sir. Seatbelt management, block fast and service. I'll be required to clear lights as required. Brief the approach.
Leading 5 kilometers. Sky condition. Scattered 3,800 feet. Temperature 31 dew point 22 GMH. 1011 hectopascal or 2 magnitude. Decimal 86 inches. Expect ILS or nav approach. Notice to women. Runway 79 lights unserviceable. Advisor. Tower crane north side of Foxtrot 2. Clark International Airport. Information linking. Time 05. Sky condition.
Correcting. 90.
You're supposed to put the Jeppesen hood down so that you don't get the glare and you can see the instrument. That's the whole point of a Jeppesen shade. To put it up on your head, how can you see the instrument?
7.4.
Have you finished the briefing?
No, sir. Atlas 002, ILS 02, right. Jeppesen 11-1, 3rd November 27, Green ARC ILS. Pampanga International, frequencies as published. Localizer 1093, final approach 022, minimum altitude 3000, ILS DA 720 feet. Sector altitude 5000, airport elevation 484. Runway 465. Over VOR, report commencing. Report commencing the approach.
You have 5 minutes to brief. Don't bother about it.
After station passage, Positive guidance, half field deflection. Clear descent 3000. Until 8.6 DME. At 8.6 DME, quarter rate turn 237. Establish on the localizer. At 8 DME, establish ILS, track to 720 feet. If no visual at 0.8 feet, commence this approach. This approach 3000 straight out, 5000 right climbing turn 5000, hold to the VOR. Briefing is complete, sir.
Briefing is complete. How many minutes do you have?
4 minutes, sir.
4 minutes. Here, it says 4 minutes.
From turn 181. Turn. Time. Press 181 out. Throttle. And stop. On approach RPC rate 43 commencing the approach.
43 report, established on the ILS, runway 02.
Report established on the ILS runway 03, rate 43. Stand by for half field deflection. Next one will be 022.
So you're not going to correct for the wind that is coming on your left side. Already roughly 2 to 3 DME and you're not even correcting for the middle which is to your left side. Why are you descending? Are you half scale? Why is the carpet on? Push the carpet half in.
Half scale.
2689ers are heading 160.
Houston 7000.
Heading 160 for 269.
0.3. Quarter way to the right. 337.
Standard.
Sending, come on.
On type of
Marker standard, sir.
6000, clear nearest approach runway 02, report overhead, commencing at 6000.
Is that 6,000? On target with you.
Runway 1000, sir.
And we'll report overhead commencing at 6,000 there for 269.
337. White arc, flaps 10. 1000, 2000, 3000.
You're at 350 already. High slope is alive, you're too high. Equalizer alive, turn right, start descent.
500 feet.
400 feet per minute.
Ready for departure for
Approach, area 43 established on final from 02.
completely satisfied for the
Flight RPC 8843.
8843, tower, good afternoon, welcome, continue approach, traffic rolling.
Wind company approach traffic rolling and request a touch and go on the main runway.
Income runway 02, clear for touch and go.
Wind company 02, clear for touch and go, 8843.
Airfield 2834 ready for taxi runway 02.
Airfield 2834, taxi rolling point 02 via Delta Foxtrot 7.
Uploading point 02 via Delta Foxtrot 7, Airfield 2834.
Can you add power 2,500? And now reduce it back to 1,900. There you go.
8845, base 02 Omni, touch and go.
100, 12 to MAs.
1,800. 1,500.
8845, report airborne.
300.
Report airborne 8845.
Hey. 100 above, runway inside, follow
Visual.
path.
Height below. Power. Port final. Southeast.
Airborne with touch and go 02 Omni.
Continue.
1051, report turning please.
Back base 1051.
Omni for touch and go.
8845, extend upwind.
We'll extend upwind, 8845. Tower 8843, runway heading, passing 700 for 1000. Requested join Omni, full stop.
8843, turn right, join downwind 02 Omni, report established.
Right turn 02 Omni, report established, 8843.
8845, extend upwind, traffic, upwind 02 Omni, will turn right to join downwind 02 Omni.
Yes, well, 8845 is on upwind this time, ma'am. Confirm we are number 2 for crosswind of Sir Tommy.
Negative, sir, extend upwind.
We'll extend up and 8845. 8843 will be turning right crosswind for operation.
2 leading traffic on downwind.
Copy.
2834, line up and wait 02.
Line up and wait 02, 2834.
8843, position.
Initial down, report. Initial down with 8843. 8843, final, full stop.
8843, report landed.
Report landed 8843.
8846, additional traffic on long final.
Final 02 Omni touch and go.
8845, report airborne.
Right. Report airborne 8845.
8862, traffic on final, report airborne 02 Omni, Greenwich 1011. Greenwich 1011, 8862, report airborne. RPC 3565, contact Clark approach 119.2, today.
Contact approach 119.2, Clark Tower RPC 8843 landed 02 Omni, clear of the active and closing flight plan, thank you.
843, good day.